Stop scrolling right now. You have likely encountered the viral legend of the Weaver of Tides. She is described as a primordial deity who gathers glowing bioluminescent seafoam to knit the very barrier between our dark oceans and the vast night sky. They say the stars above are merely her dropped stitches. It is a compelling and beautiful piece of internet folklore. But today, we are putting this myth under the microscope. Where did this story actually originate? Humans possess an innate, ancient desire to personify the unknown. Both ancient and modern storytellers observed the glowing bioluminescence of the sea caused by tiny dinoflagellates reacting to physical stress, and compared it to the distant pinpricks of the Milky Way. This narrative bridges the gap between our primal fear of the deep sea and our collective wonder of the cosmos. It turns mystery into a familiar craft, making the universe feel intentional. However, reality and science paint a very different picture. Let us examine the hard facts. First, bioluminescent seafoam cannot reach space. That light is a specific chemical reaction involving luciferin and luciferase, triggered locally by wave friction and movement. Earth's gravity keeps this biological phenomenon firmly within our biosphere. It is a terrestrial wonder, not a celestial one. Second, stars are definitely not dropped stitches. They are massive, violent spheres of plasma undergoing intense nuclear fusion millions of light years away. While atmospheric refraction creates the illusion of twinkling, stars do not originate from the ocean floor. The Weaver of Tides is a brilliant concept for a fantasy novel or a high-budget video game, but as a literal description of our physical universe, it is officially busted. The math simply does not add up. Nature does not require a cosmic knitter to be magical. Physics and chemistry are already performing the heavy lifting to create the beauty we see every day. The truth is often more incredible than the myth. Do you have another internet legend you want us to investigate? Leave your suggestions in the comments below and subscribe for more science-backed truths. Stay curious and keep looking at the facts.